let's make networking inside of your virtual machine to make them connected each other. The first one, what you are going to do is turn off your machine and then go to settings and then go to network. In the network, you can see there is 4 adapter. You can choose adapter 1, adapter 2, adapter 3, and adapter 4. If you only want to make a local area network, you just activate one of adapter and then you choose NAT network or NAT network, and the name is NAT network. And advanced, you can choose para virtualized network and then you allow them, and there is a MAC address here. Actually you can change the MAC address like you want. You can typing manually, or you just make the machine randomly choose for you the MAC address. But once your MAC address change and you want to back to the previous MAC address, you just type manually over here, and when everything is set, you just OK. And then for the internet, if you want to connect it to the internet, that you are going to do, you have to turn on the other adapter. Over here I choose adapter number 2 and then I use NAT. Okay, this is make our machine connected to the internet. And again, you choose a virtualized network. For permissions mode, there is somehow it could be allow, it could be deny, but no need to care about that because there is no effect. If even I have deny here, it's not affect to my network because my network still can connect to the internet. Okay, and then whatever you choose here is up to you. If you want to choose adapter number 1 become your NAT, it's also possible. Okay, there is no regulation for adapter number 1 should be NAT, adapter number 2 should be bridge, and this and that. It's up to you, totally is up to you. Okay, the second one, if you want to connect to your machine to the internet, you also can choose bridge adapter. This is also allow you to connect to internet by like how the connection will be bridged to the connection that you used to connect to internet in the real life. What I mean in real life, as you can see like here, there is 2 options. There is Intel Wi-Fi 6 and there is Realtek PCI Gateway Family Control. This is actually my real computer's hardware, and because I connected to the Wi-Fi, so I choose Wi-Fi. But if you are connecting to the internet through the cable, you have to use Realtek PCI if you have the same NIC like mine. And then you choose para virtualized network and then you allow them. And as long as you can see also the MAC address over here, and then you just OK when you OK. Because I only have NAT, I just turn on the NAT. No need to turn on the bridge, and then just OK, and then just OK, right? So basically we will have 2 interfaces in our machine. The first one is adapter 2 role as NAT, and the second one adapter number 3 role as NAT network. And then check your IP address. Let's recheck our IP address. You might have different comment to check your IP address depending on what Linux do you use, but most of the time you use ifconfig. You can see there is Ethernet number 8, and I also have Ethernet number 9. Ethernet number 8 is my NAT network, and Ethernet number 9 is my local area network. And then I don't think that it's necessary to explain like how I set my IP address inside of my Ethernet interface, because but if you want to know exactly like how I put the IP address inside of my interface, you might leave the comment and I will try to reply and try to make a video about it. Okay, see you next time. Thank you very much.